Ninja UltraCrush Professional Blender is designed for handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, effortlessly powers through tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruit for smooth, consistent results every time. This matters most when evaluating the listed motor, container, blade, and preset arrangement. It also states, total crushing technology blasts through ice and frozen ingredients with ease, turning ice to snow in seconds. Use that detail to judge whether the included capacity matches normal batch sizes, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, check dishwasher guidance, blade handling, cabinet clearance, and how many pieces need cleaning. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that high-power blenders can be loud, and a large pitcher is less convenient for small servings or storage. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender. Overall, Ninja UltraCrush Professional Blender best fits shoppers focused on handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base whose setup matches the supported facts.